Alright, so I'm not sure how good the quality or ano tong video natin ngayon guys ha, because I'm still experimenting. This is going to be the second time I will be filming using my new camera with this type of video guys, the sitting arrangement and all. Okay. I know that I haven't been uploaded 2 schedules na, and I'm super duper busy nowadays, and even my cash stuffing and budgeting has been really delayed guys. So we have ano ba yan? Turn off ko muna yung messenger. We have a very challenging cash stuffing today because you know that ang nangyayari is that I've been transferring money from ATM, so I haven't gotten really the amount that I was being paid off and do the cash stuffing, and because of that marami talagang parang mahirap siyang i-budget now kasi hindi na siya buo yun. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 7,000 here. Whew, paano ba to? Kasi I don't know also. So let's figure it out together guys, how we could do this. So I have 7,000, but I got paid. One of the reason then that I was so delayed in doing this, it's because yung nag-swipe ng ng credit card ko didn't pay on time, and you know it's quite challenging. Anyways, let's do this. We're going to figure out today is where did my 18,900 go? Yun. But let me do the budgeting first. Ito na guys, ito yung challenging na part, as you all know. My kid to the common guys, and I've heard a lot of good feedback from that, and I'm hoping na maganda din yung ng anak ko no. You know, ang kaniyang output. So we have the debt, which is CP na 1.5, and then we have, did I pay the Vistamar? Let me check. Vistamar. I already paid this 1K. That's already there. So I should be paying 1K for now. But I'm not sure. I will have to look for guys. And we have the grocery. And then the allowance. So this is challenging for you guys if you're not doing on time your cash stuffing and the budgeting. Now na you are not so familiar or you're not so okay, time for me to so for the record, for Mamshi, for Mamshi, I have to that.
Let me pause a moment guys, and before we continue for our video for today, I just wanted to let you know that I'm offering my financial journey template planner for free. So this is going to be a free download for you guys. All you have to do is just click down the link below where you can add your name, your email address, where I can send this over for you. This is totally for free. I'm giving it out for you guys as a thank you for supporting my channel. The budget planner is the same planner that I'm using in all of my videos guys, so this one is very helpful to use since it's very helpful for me. So again, thank you, and let's dive in back to the video.
So what I'm currently doing guys, because I've paid or bank transfer the money from my own bank account, so I'm just getting this kinukuha ko lang yung amount. Kasi let's say for example, yung sa CP, nagbayad ako ng 3,000 through bank transfer. So instead of, I will take it out here and put it here. So kung ano yung na-allocate ko dito, 1,500, balik ko siya. Kasi nakuha ko na siya, nabayaran ko na siya. Same goes with my momshi and everything. Okay. So let's do it like this para we can track down our money. I have 4 or 5 in my BPI. The history is I can explain, it's hard. Basta may ano ako 4 or 5 doon sa BPI. So instead of I will transfer instead of me depositing the money to the BPI or transfer to BPI, let's keep it that way, and let's already not allocating the CP because that's already in the bank. So I'm all good in here. For the grocery, I'll put 2K. I just can't think of where did my medical go. I'll think about it later. Let's see here. I think I have the notes. Okay, here. Alright. Next is allowance is 3,000. I'll do the 3,800. So meron akong cash dito from the business. So let me just cash 1, 2, 3, 4, 500. Na tag 100 dito. So, I'm gonna go get change with this. Bakit parang ang hirap mag-cash stuff ngayon, guys? Okay. But I still need to do this because it's a requirement for me to do to stay on top of my budgeting. And I'm sorry, guys, if I'm a little sleepy, sounding sleepy, because I just woke up. I need to sleep talaga because I've been busy. Oh, another thing that makes me busy is that I got bitten by our dog. You know, this is part of being a pet owner. So, nakagat ako. I'm not sure if you can still see yung kagat ko, but I have already taken my shot for the anti-rabies. I had my second shots already. The second one is today. So, parang, okay, that's what makes me busy also. For the next one, we have allowance 3,750, but I'm gonna make it 3,800. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is going to be for my allowance. Still have notes in here. And I'm gonna throw it away kasi baka maano na ako dyan. Malito. Just always to take down notes, but as well as to clear your notes if you are no longer using it. We have the transfer, which is the 1,500. Okay, there we go. And then the Veco, I think for the Veco I need to deposit this because I used the Veco with that. And then we have Momshi. I already given her, so I don't need to put. And then for the vitamins, 500 here. Let's do this. Okay, our next one is the medical, the swimming, all good. So I'm not going to put in tuition, it's 1,500. 1,500. Ay, sorry. 1,500 tapos 800. 1,500 plus 800, so that's 2, 3. Kulang ako ng 100. Okay. gonna put it there. And then what's next? Common, which is 1K. Ano ko ba nalagay yung common? Yeah, I think it's in here also. So I'm just gonna add this with the notes, guys. Nag-film before na maganda yung kuha na walang shadow. Kasi nakikita yung shadow eh. There's a shadow there. Oh. So I'm not sure how I did that. Okay. I think that 300 already taken out. Allowance. So I'm gonna put some 1,000 in here. Tuition, it's 1,500. Okay. Ayaw niya. 1,500. Tapos plus 800. Okay. I'm gonna put these notes in here, guys. Actually, hindi siya 800. 700 lang. Kasi I don't have the 50. Okay. So, I'll make sure, guys, ano tayo ngayon eh? 23. Goal for the next one is I'll make sure to cash stuff right away my money. Withdraw it right away para yan. Para hindi na tayo maglibo, guys. Okay, so what's next? My next step is to pay whatever the money I've used here. Okay, so the money that I used was in the savings. I borrowed. Where was that? I believe there was a note. So I borrowed 3K, and this is what I've used for my allowance. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna return it here kasi I've used that. So we are on the, hindi pala kita yung calendar ko. So we are on the 23rd, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days times 250, 1,750. Okay, so my allowance should be 1,750. So right now, guys, I'm just paying the money that I borrowed here kasi it's not easy. It's not really easy. 1,750. But for this week, let me see. For this week, no, hindi nakita na. So for this week, I have 250 times 3 days. So for this week, I have 250 times 3 weeks. For this week, I should allocate a 700. Kasi I have 3 remaining days na lang for this week. 700, and then I'm gonna put this in my wallet to make sure that I am staying on top. Okay, let's take out the. There we go. There we go, guys. Okay. So our next one. God, I don't know. Guys, that's it for my cash stuffing and budgeting for the month of May. And for our next video is going to be paying my credit card, paying my debt, and also with my savings. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope that you like this video, and please go ahead and subscribe now if you do like my content. And if you do find it very helpful for you guys, please let me know, and by liking and sharing this to your friends, family, and relatives that are really in need, guys. It will boost my channel and to reach out more audience like you. So I will see you on our next one. Bye, guys.